2 hours later.
Okay, so this is going to be take number 2 because I started, as you guys saw, and no, like that yellow, just no. And I do have a base on. I have the P. Louise base on, so please don't tell me like, oh, you need a base, because I have one. But it just, no, I don't know. This will really have you thinking that you don't know how to do makeup, and I promise I do. At least I thought I did. Alright, so this is just gonna be a talk through, I guess, because no. Just no. I don't know what I want to do now. I'm just so thrown off. I really am. I'm just so distraught. Alright, so I'm going to take a mixture of Playground and Brother. And we'll start with Playground. I'm just going to put it right here. This one is pretty. With that yellow, like I put it on and it was yellow, and then the outer edges turned, like it oxidized, and I just don't I've never seen a eyeshadow oxidize before. So I don't know if it's like it mixing with the base, or I just don't know. This is pretty and pigmented and blending okay. So, alright.
Palette are you using?
This is the James Charles palette. I got it for Charlie as a surprise because it was literally the last one at Ulta, and not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad I did not get it for myself.
Oh.
I mean, no shade. I mean, Charlie can play and manipulate. She has way more patience than I do.
Charlie can work magic on something.
Charlie can work magic, and I just don't.
I bet you she would work magic on that yellow.
She probably would have, and I was over it. I was over that yellow. Absolutely over it. And this is still just Playground, just building up the crease a little bit more. But I was over trying to figure this out. Like, just a clean Morphe E23 brush, and I'm just buffing and blending and buffing and blending. But yeah, I'd never ever in my life seen an eyeshadow oxidize. And after talking to Charlie, I guess there's one in the Dare to Create. Yeah, this is Unleash Your Inner Artist. But the Dare to Create palette that does the same thing, it oxidizes as well, and I had just never experienced that before. So this is like my favorite packing brush right now. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to pick up Cola, which is just a deep matte blue. I'm going to do a super basic look today. And I'm just putting that right here on the lid.
There's something wrong with it.
You feel attacked, Lana?
No?
And then when I try to use this in the first one, as you guys will probably see, I would put it on and then it would just disappear. And it was just like, nope, don't want to do this. Taking today off. See you later.
That blue?
Mm-hmm. Yep. It was just like, nah, not going. And before it did not want to blend either. I mean, it's kind of blending now, but I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna zoom in. But like right here, it's just like grabbing in weird spots and then creating its own little like muddy color over here. Like, I don't understand. So I'm gonna try to pick up some more of the brighter blue, the Playground.
It's just not meant to be. It's just
I mean, like, it doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look good either.
It's just not meant to be.
I look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show, and
I mean, if that's what you're going for.
it's not. Never will anyone go for that unless you're trying to be her.
Halloween.
I said unless you're trying to be her.
I mean, you're not there yet.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it doesn't look terrible to where like I want to wipe it off, but
If it gets to your eyebrows, then yeah, just game over, dude.
nah, I'm not going that high. So since it's already kind of doing this itself, I'm gonna try to put some color back up here. I lied. I'm not gonna do what I was gonna do. Like, the color just keeps leaving from right here, and I don't understand why. Alright, so we're back. And I was able to save it a little bit, so I know a lot has happened since the last scene. So I added the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid eyeshadow in Freedom. So I added that. Added a little more of, what the hell is that code? Cola. A little more cola to the outer sides, blended, and then on the bottom I have cola. I have on the inner corner just the, what is it called? Smell Forever Lit from the Nicole Guerrero. So I have this one in the inner corner. Yeah. yeah. So I just, you know, I think it looks okay now. Use the Stila Huge Extreme Lash mascara. This has been like my fave for a while, but needless to say, like, I don't have any ill feelings toward James Charles. Let me just put that out there. I think the palette is interesting. The colors are a little difficult to work with, and even if you use the base, I feel like it makes it a little more difficult because it clings to the base and they're already a little difficult to blend out in the first place. So I think that makes it a little more difficult. I've never seen eyeshadows oxidize. This was the first time, and I've tried lots and lots and lots and lots of eyeshadow, and I've never ever seen a formula like that. So I think if you are willing to be patient and manipulate them, then you can get a lot of different looks out of them. However, for me, I don't want to be patient. I just want them to work the first time. I don't want to try to finesse and figure out different tricks to make it work. So I hope Charlie enjoys her palette, and yeah, because no, I personally no. I just think that there's other formulas of colors that I would prefer to use. I do like the blue. I think that there are some colors in here that work, and some that just for me don't. So I don't really know, you know, if I wouldn't purchase this for myself. I'm very grateful for Charlie to allow me to play with it, but it wouldn't be something that I would grab for. I just think I have other colors, other colorful shadows that I would prefer to use. So again, so this is it. I think it came together okay. So I'm glad I was able to save it because I was not loving it. So so that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below if you have any, you know, suggestions or tips or tricks, or if you've worked with it and you feel the same, or if you feel different, let me know. But I've seen a couple of different reviews and a lot of people are saying pretty much the same thing. So very happy for James Charles and the success he's gotten from the palette, because at the end of the day, he's already made his money. So I mean, if you really don't like it at this point, I mean, he's already got his cash. So big ups to him. I think it's beautiful to look at, and yeah. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.